Hi everyone, Margot McKinnon here, and I've got another installment for you for RSI, repetitive strain injuries, and today it's about motion from the tips of your fingers right up into your shoulders and mid-upper back. Okay, it's a big motion. Let's see how we do. Just ease off if you need to, and let's get started. So you're going to put your hands together here, and even this I know can be really tricky. Okay, so let's go up a little bit, make it a little easier to hold, and just try coming down and up, down and up, down and up. Good. All right, now you're going to reach forward and back, forward and back, forward, back, and one more. Okay, now just a little bit to one side and then the other, and get ready. This can be quite a stretch, almost a zinging kind of stretch along the forearm into the baby finger. So be ready, normal, it's a normal reaction. Good, okay, back to the middle. Turn down, and again, this might be too much, right? So you find the range that works, even if it's tiny. Right, good. All right, so if you can relax your shoulders a little bit, hard to do, but give it a try. Okay, good. Now, make your hand like you're holding a big ball. You've got your fingertips touching. Then you're going to put one set of fingers inside the other. And you're going to press in with this one and out with this one. So you press. And then you switch. Press. Press. And press. So you keep going. Watch your fingers, watch the joints, and see if you can maintain that shape like you've got a ball in your hands. And you'll feel this all the way up your arms, some of you right up into the shoulders, right up into the chest and the back. Okay, and one more. All right, put your hands together again, reach out in front, peel back the hands. Open them out to the sides, big stretch in the arms here. Make sure you're not arched, right? Your ribs are down at the front. Okay, curl your hands in and press the fists forward. And here, right from the shoulder, you turn the arms forward, turn them back, turn them forward, turn back, and one more for big stretch, and then bring your knuckles toward each other in the front. Bring your hands in again. Okay, good. Little side to side, 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 and one more. Back to the middle. Try going downward and up, down and up, down, up. So real turning action here. Okay, and hold. Now you're going to point your fingers forward. We do the whole thing again. Out in front. Peel back the hands. Open out wide to the sides. Check ribs at the front, right? They're not popping forward. Okay, good. Close your hands into light fists and press the knuckles forward. That can be a big stretch over the back of the hand. Okay, now right from the shoulders, you turn the arms, turn, turn, and one more. Turn, turn, holding. Okay, now together, together, together. Get a big stretch over the top of the hands. Bring the prayer hands in. Good. And give your hands. a shake. Okay, I hope that feels good. I know it's a lot of sensation, so write me a little comment, let me know. I hope you feel good, and I'll see you back here again sometime very soon.